Exporting tasks from Monday.com is a straightforward process that allows you to transfer your data to other platforms or save it for future reference. To begin, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the board that contains the tasks you want to export. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and select the Export option from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the export page where you can choose the type of export you want to perform. You can export your tasks as a CSV file, Excel file, or Google Sheets file. Select the type of file you want to export and choose the tasks you want to include in the export. You can export all tasks, tasks from a specific group, or tasks assigned to a specific person. You can also filter tasks by status, due date, or other criteria. Once you have selected the tasks you want to export, click on the Export button to begin the export process. Depending on the size of your board and the number of tasks you are exporting, this process may take a few seconds or a few minutes. After the export is complete, you can download the file to your computer or save it to Google Drive or other cloud storage services. The exported file will contain all the task details, including task name, description, due date, and assigned person. It is a good practice to export your tasks regularly to ensure that your data is safe and up to date. You can also use the exported file to analyze your task data, create custom reports, or integrate it with other tools and platforms. By following these steps, you can easily export your Monday.com tasks and use them as needed. The key is to be consistent and methodical in your approach, and to make sure you are exporting the right data at the right time. With a little practice, you will be able to export your tasks like a pro and take your productivity to the next level.